Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-learning classes of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Today, I am going to teach you some problems of exercise 12B of the topic simple interest. So, let us start question number 1. In question number 1, a sum of money lent at simple interest amount to 783 rupees in 2 years and 837 rupees in 3 years. Find the sum and rate percent per annum. There are two quantity required here, sum and rate. The first of all use statements. Always statements change into simply amount, simple interest, rate and time. So we write here amounts. First step, a sum of money lent at simple interest amount to 783 rupees in 2 years. So here write amount in 2 years given 783. We know that amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. So here write principal plus simple interest. Here simple amount in 2 years. The simple interest also 2 years. The simple interest for 2 years given 783 rupees. This is equation first. Is it clear? Next step, given amount to 837 rupees in 3 years. So right here again amount in 3 years is equal to 837. So here write again principal plus simple interest for amount 3 years. The simple interest for 3 years. We get 837. This is equation second. Here we subtract from first minus second. We subtract both equation. Here principal common, so cancel out. Here simple interest for 2 years or simple interest for 3 years. So we subtract the 3 minus 2, 1 year. So here simple interest for 1 year. The simple interest of 3 year given 837 minus 783 is equal to, we subtract here 7 minus 3, 4, 13 minus 8, 5, 7 minus 7, 0, means 54 rupees. Is it clear? The simple interest for 1 year we find by unitary method any year, means here find simple interest of 2 year to multiply by 2, simple interest for 4 year to multiply by 4. Is it clear? What mainly here focus, find the principal. So we find out the principal. Principal, we know that principal is equal to amount minus simple interest. So here write amount in 2 years. Here write amount in 2 years. Here write. So be subtracted here simple interest for 2 years. So here in question given amount in 2 years. Amount in 2 years given 783. Or simple interest for 2 years. So we find simple interest for 1 year 54 rupees. The 2 year, the 54 into 2. Simple interest of 3 years, so multiply by 3. Simple interest for 5 years, so multiply by 5 simply, is equal to 783 minus 54 into 2, we get 108 is equal to 783 minus 108, we get 13 minus 8, 5, 7 minus 0, 7, 7 minus 1, 6. So we get principal is equal to 675. You find only rate. So we know that rate is equal to SI into 100 upon P into T is equal to, here SI, so here we take SI for 2 years. The 2 years here 54 into 2 into 100 upon here P 675 और B take for 2 years, तो write 2 years, 2 cancel out, 25 जा 100, 5 1 जा 5, 5 3 जा 15, 5 5 जा 25. Is it clear? 5 4 जा 20, here 5 2 जा 10, 5 7 जा 35, 27 2 जा 54, the 2 4 जा 8% per annum, 8% per annum. So hence principal is equal to 175 and rate is equal to 8% per annum. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2, divide 3000 into 2 parts such that the simple interest on the first part for 4 years at 8% per annum is equal to the simple interest on the second part for 2 years at 9% per annum. The first of all divide 2 parts. Here let first part be x, second part is equal to 3000 minus x. According to question, simple interest on the first part for 4 years at 8% per annum. So we know that simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So here P x into R given 8% per annum. Time given 4 years upon 100 is equal to second part. The here principal second part means 3000 minus x into rate given 9% per annum. Time given 2 years upon 100. We solve here. 8 4 जा 32 into x, 32x upon 100 is equal to 9 2 जा 18, 18 multiply by complete here. The 18 3 जा 54,000 minus 9 2 जा 18 into x, 18x upon 100. Completely in denominator 100, here also completely 100, to cancel out. Here 32x minus 18x, here the plus 18x is equal to 54,000. 32 plus 18 we get 50x is equal to 54,000. Therefore x is equal to 54,000 upon 50. 5 1 जा 5, 0 times 5 8 जा 40, right here 0 means 1080. So lastly we find part. The hence first part is equal to 1080 rupees. Second part is equal to 3000 minus 1080. We get 0 minus 0, 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 0, 9, 2 minus 1, 1. Means we get 1920. Is it clear? This is your required answer. Now let us discuss question number 3. In question number 3, at what percent per annum simple interest will a sum double itself in 10 years? So here given time is equal to 10 years. Here principal not given, so write x. Be let amount given double itself means 2x, and find the rate. The rate is equal to what? So we know that SI is equal to amount minus principal. Here amount 2x minus x is equal to x rupees. Is it clear? So find the rate. The rate is equal to SI into 100 upon P into T. Here SI x into 100. P is equal to x into time 10. X cancel out. 0 cancel out. Here 10% per annum. This is your required answer. I hope you will complete the exercise 12B with the help of this video. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.